The beginnings of Hinduism, like many other traditions, began in a sacrificial mode. It is said that one could not walk along any path, in northern India without smelling something. The smell would very likely be the performance of a yajna, or sacrifice. As you look at the upper right side of the slide, you can tell how important the Agnihotra has been. You now know that this ritual is the world's largest blank ritual in the history of religions. Running, running. The Agnihotra has been performed somewhere in India and beyond for over 3,000 years. Even those people from Scottsdale in the lower right corner are performing an Agnihotra. I like to pick on people from Scottsdale. Anyway, I would be drawing a diagram on the whiteboard in pre-corona times. It would be a clockwise circle. At the bottom of the circle would be my artistic rendition of a hoter or chanter priest. I would picture him chanting, throwing things toward the 9 on our circle. At this point would be my drawing of a hearth. Sometimes the hearths would be shaped like a bird. So the priest is chanting sacred syllables and placing grains, fragrances, soma, and ghee into the hearth. Ghee happens to be clarified butter. You can find it at any nearby supermarket. And no one has discovered what soma was. I bet you all know what resides in the hearth. Yes, Agni, or fire. In the personification of fire, Agni is considered the mouthpiece or priest of the blank. The blank is the empty space at the 12 of our clockwise circle. I asked the class what goes in that blank, and of course you smart young things yell out, gods. Yes, the particular god, Devi, or goddess, Deva, that a particular circumstance calls for. Now, once the gods have been satisfied by the smoke given off by Agni, the gods in turn will replenish the blank space at 3 o'clock. The blank will in turn feed and satisfy what the chanter priest represents. That, of course, is humanity. So what goes in the 3 o'clock blank? Here's a hint. It represents something in which you all had a heightened sensitivity with when you were a tribe. I know you all know the answer. Like so many classes and tribes through the years, the answer, of course, is nature. If any of you choose your thing on that dated documentary, 330 Million Gods, you will notice a segment where a village is performing the Agnihotra. The village is experiencing a drought and is resigned to eating only a few times a week. So they call in a Brahmin priest to perform this sacrifice. And sacrifices are rituals in which something valuable is offered for a needed return.